What is up? Today we have a fidget spinner. Today I want to show y'all a trick. I can't do every trick. Please comment if you like the best video of my channel. Hold on. There it is. Ooh. There we go. Has it under there? Oh yes, it's still moving.
I'm ready when you got me to request.
Look at that. Let's see. I'm gonna do. Hold on, guys. Let me just grab.
I'm not ready to go, but you said I got 3 hours shield.
Your arm ready?
I don't have enough
Stick.
I'm having to boost my elixir to. It's alright.
Never mind. This pin won't work.
You did a great job organizing the dance. Thank you, but I cannot take all the credit. And I'll put. She did
I
hang
don't
out.
really want to watch the Disney Channel all
I
day
will
long.
take all the credit.
You want more changes in the end?
I'm really sorry I let you down. But I can help now.
Thank you for
I
offering.
bet you this is way
Pick
too.
up the garbage?
It's real gross.
Yeah. It's way too
What
big.
about it? I give the party four
Just
stars
a
on one.
second, guys.
Bar for the class.
Xander, I want you to know that from now on, I promise I will not be your
Want some Coke?
girlfriend.
That's awesome, Emma. Thank you.
Hey, you are my man again, and the last thing you'll be looking at is the bottom of a shallow grave. Not jealous, starting now.
Okay, this could work, guys. Let me try. Dang it!
Hey guys,
Now we're holding up in the.
Jay from Bugs, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Oh.
How cool is that?
Ah.
Okay, Woodchucks, I have the best news to tell you. It's Sunday.
Come on.
Sunday.
Or we can be totally retro and talk with our mouths. So, as of right now,
Oh.
we're officially on barn duty.
What towns are we in?
Yeah, right behind the kids' bowling alley. There's a bowling alley? Yes, right next to the arcade. We have got to get off the Great Lawn then.
Well, here's your chance. It's the woodchuck's turn to tidy up the barn and take care of the
3:35.
Adorable animals?
Do we normally get that?
Oh, guys, possibly I can't find a pin that works. Any pin that actually works.
But I volunteered to do some charity work.
Oh no, where is my
I don't think it's won't record until the 25th.
National Foundation for people who need charity.
Since they're not watching this,
As legit as that.
Sorry, guys.
what is green bar
I
blue?
hope it still spins.
Besides, it'll be good for you.
Oh yeah, it spins way good.
I would love to
Maybe
step
So
in,
good,
just don't
guys.
want to step in anything nasty.
It's Batman.
Here's your
fidget.
griffin.
Yeah,
There's this. That's what the front looks like.
Roman tomatoes, bacon, cucumber, eggs,
The bear
onions,
ring.
and cheddar and jack cheeses. Serve atop beef
There's
greens for a salad that puts flavor first.
There's the first.
More people than ever are making the move to Nissan, making Rogue America's best-selling SUV. Make the move today. Memorial Day savings start now. See on Rogue how common now stop going through Nissan and Altima with advanced safety features. Hurry in and make the move to Nissan.
Oh, that's I'm going to cut some light off.
Strawberries.
The 2017 Nissan Rogue. Or save up to
Hey, Bryce.
I
Bryce.
have nothing.
Bryce.
Let's
Bryce.
go.
Bryce. Bryce.
What?
Hey, come here, bud.
I just like
Bathroom
it.
looks fantastic, except for the
Okay,
fact that
yeah, take a picture of
towels,
that.
Alright.
toothpaste, smell stuff on the floor, okay?
Here, Lee, you can use mine.
No, I want to use mine. Look at that gorgeousness. Alright. So guys, hey Josh, let me do something, guys. Just wait. Taking y'all on in to the bathroom. Wait, it does. Okay, so we got this thing we'll be doing today. Let's get our fidget topple in it. That's good. Check it out, guys. Hard plastic. It's hard plastic. So, gotta check that out now. How we cleaned it up today. And it should look very beautiful. Let's see how long it will take. So let's see. Pop that off. And let's set on the water. Now, all we have to do is let it sit for a while. Let's see, I'm gonna move it on over there. And let's wait till he grows. So that will be, let's check on the packet. Oh no! Just throw away the packet. How long does it take? Okay, don't say, guys. I don't know how long it'll take. Yeah, that's bad. Wait, directions. Dun, 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 dun. So look at the crab starting to grow. Oh my gosh, it feels furry. It's furry, guys. That's very furry. So let's throw that away. And then we'll come back to it after soon. I'm going to wait about 20 minutes. So let's see. Come on, guys. Okay. Oh, there's my sister. Stop it.
Right, you didn't do it. You didn't do the towels, huh?
Huh?
The towels.
The towel. Sure. You don't want to straw it. I'll just pour you from it. It's so gorgeous. I know I'm gonna just go back to its gorgeous. Like, ultimately. It's like, what? Sure.
Now, what I offer you, my friends, is no medicine. It is far more than that. It is a tonic, an elixir, to purge the body and lift the spirits, to put a light in the eye, and a spring in the step, a lift in the voice, and hope in the human.
What are you showing me that for? We already had to get rid of one because we couldn't afford it.
Non-interested, and only $1 a bottle. These friends, I know the price of ridiculous only helps to pay the cost. While the cigar lasts, do I hear a voice? Yes, it's someone whose spark is not dead. Are there others? Step forward, please. And let me run for it. Thank you, dear lady.
Colonel, when's the last time you had a home-cooked meal?
I read your thoughts. They shine from your eyes like the goodness within.
Did you turn it down or turn it up? Because I'm cold.
You're most kind.
I turned the air part down.
Resist the opportunity to make you
Off.
better acquaintance.
Oh, God. Shall we say 6 o'clock?
For the
Nolan,
6
I
o'clock.
think I'm
the
off
sink
the-
is off limits for now. Something's growing in there.
What?
You know that lobster? I put it in there.
Oh.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. So we got the fidget. It's the end of the video. Bye guys. Don't subscribe. Subscribe. Say don't.
Guys, I want to watch Andy Griffith's show, so y'all have to go in there and make a video.